Ramzan is a beautiful month. It's the best month of the entire Islamic calendar year, and it's something when it starts, it's all gung fu and we're all happy. And now that it's going, we feel a little that it's going too soon. It's the month when you pray to God and you ask for forgiveness for all the sins that you've committed, for all the crap that you've done in life, that God should forgive you. And when it's going, it's like you have very less time to ask for forgiveness. Eid is basically you let the family decide what they want to do, and you just be a part of it and make sure that everything's good. That's what I do. मैंने आज किसी का अपडेट देखा था कि दर्जी सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस होता है ईद से पहले, तो हमारे यहाँ भी ऐसे ही कुछ आई एम नॉट टू मच इनटू stitching new clothes and all that, but yeah, of course my daughter would want something nice and my wife would want to stitch something nice, so I'm sure they're busy doing all that.
Karan is a good friend and we've been in touch for a long time now, and a couple of days back Karan called me and told me that he's having this iftar party and I had to be a part of it. So I also told him that in all probability I'll come a little late, but I will be a part of it, so I'm glad that I could make it here. More than anything, I think it's a time that everybody can really come together, share cultures and share thoughts and ideologies, and they be in a very nice, pious, comfortable presence around each other, and it always gives one an opportunity to connect more than anything. Roza I have not tried. I've considered it honestly, but I have not tried. लेकिन इफ्तार जब हमारे सेट पे या कहीं पे खोलते हैं तो I'm always a part of it with the rest of the unit members. So that's I think been a consistent thing for many years now. Not just on the Jamaira just said, but every other set also. जब भी रोज़ा खोला जाता है तो I'm there with them.
पहली बात तो रमज़ान बहुत ही पॉजिटिविटी लाता है, मुझे ऐसा फील होता है हमेशा, एंड रखने का मौका तो नहीं मिलता मुझे रोज़ा, तो मैं एटलीस्ट एक तो रखती हूँ, 27वां रोज़ा बड़ा वाला। हाँ, और अगर मौका मिलता है तो हो सके तो 2 या तो 5, तो हाँ ये टाइम तो चला गया टाइम, और शूट भी करे थे तो नहीं रख पाए, बट 27वां रोज़ा ज़रूर रखूँगी मैं। एंड क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत सीखा मैंने कि क्या दुआएं पढ़नी चाहिए, ये सब कैसे प्रे करना चाहिए, और बाकी जो नहीं सीखा वो जोधा मैंने सिखा दिया था। बट या अच्छा लगता है, एंड ये ऐसा टाइम है जहाँ लोग मतलब ये 1 महीना कुछ भी गलत काम नहीं करते, तो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट।